What's up guys, my name is Shubham Singh and you guys are watching Earn with Tech YouTube channel. So friends, in this video I'm gonna make this video in English for my Nigerian subscribers. Many of my subscribers from Nigeria, US and any other countries where people cannot understand Hindi, they were demanding many times to make a video in English about self-click on AdMob and Unity Ad. So in this video I'm gonna tell you that how you can do self-click in Google AdMob and Unity Ads, and I'm gonna show you the best quality applications through which you can perform self-click and earn $20 to $30 per day. So you guys have to watch this video till the end without skipping, and do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started. So firstly, if you guys want to do self-click in AdMob, in Google AdMob, so I have a very good quality of application for you all guys, and the name of that application is Ultramax. So this application is very well performed application, and the price of this application is also very less. So if you guys want to create your own self-clicking application, you guys have to contact AS Developer. The number of the WhatsApp number of AS Developer is in the description, so you guys can go and contact them for applications. Okay, so first of all, there was an application named Ultramax, as I had told you before. So this application is very well working with Google AdMob. Okay, this application is also work with Unity Ads, so you can prefer it with Google AdMob or Unity Ad, but I recommend you to use this application with Google AdMob, because Google AdMob is one of the best ad network to use with Ultramax application, because it give you high quality CPM and good quality earning. So first of all, let me close this. Okay, I had closed these applications. Now after closing this application, I will reopen this applications and show you that how this application work and how this application loaded ad. So first of all, you have to just open this application, and there's a splash screen and you have to wait here. Okay, and after some time there was an ad appearing on the screen. You can see there are a number of banner ads appearing on the screen. In one page you get 6 banner ads, and there are 2 pages. Okay, and you can add many pages, but you have to pay extra for the pages. Okay, so first of all, if you guys want to buy this application, the WhatsApp number is in the description. You guys can contact on that WhatsApp number and purchase this application. Okay, so first of all, let me show you which kind of ads this application support. This application support banner ad, interstitial ad and rewarded ad. So if I'm gonna click on that, you can see there was an interstitial ad, and when I just close this ad, there was again the lots of ad reloaded. You can see clearly over here. Okay, now let's go to the next page. If I go to the next page, they will say that you have to watch a video ad through which you can also give impressions in your video ad, as you can clearly see here. Let me close the sound. Okay, so clearly as you can see here, the video ad is coming. Okay, now I have to cut the video ad, and you can see we got redirected on the second page, and the ads are also loading in that page. Okay, you can use VPN from US, okay, and get more CPMs and more revenue with this application. So if you guys are interested in this application, and if you guys want to do self-click with this kind of application, you guys can contact AS Developer. Their WhatsApp number is in the description. You guys can contact and make international payments through Bitcoin, PayPal, any of the payment options, and you guys can get your application for just in very low price and start earning from today. So if you guys are interested, WhatsApp number is in the description. Now let's talk about Unity Ad. So there was an application named AS Royal. So this application is very well performed for Unity Ads. If you guys want to do self-click in Unity Ads, you can prefer this application. First of all, let me open this application. This application have very kind of well-mannered features, like you can change ad ID over here. You can get limited numbers of CPM, like very good quality of CPM. Okay, and this application is very well performed. Okay, so first of all, let me place my game ID over here, 040645, and start. You have to just click on start, fill your game ID and click on start, and after clicking on start, you have to just wait for a few seconds, and afterwards your ads will be appear. Okay, but you have to click on these buttons to appear your ads. So for this I'm gonna use a VPN. Okay, let me close this application and use VPN. So where's the VPN? There's the VPN, and I'm gonna connect VPN from Netherlands, and you guys can choose USA, Canada, UK and many other different countries. Okay, so just let me okay, now just click on OK, and I'm connected from Netherlands, Amsterdam. Okay, you guys can choose any country with high CPM. Okay, so let me get connected with the Netherlands. and it get connected. Now I have to open my application AS Royal, and let's wait for the splash screen finish, and it finishes. And if you guys want this application, you guys have to contact AS Developer. Their WhatsApp number is in the description. So now let me paste my game ID. Okay, so A040645. Okay, now just start. Now we have to wait some seconds through our ads get loaded. Okay, I think I had put my game ID wrong. Let me reconnect it. So just open the application. Okay, and I have to paste my game ID 40800645. Now it's correct. Now start. And I have to wait till my ads get loaded, and my ads are starting loading. Okay, and if you guys want to work in this application, you guys have to create an Unity Ads account. As I had showed earlier, the AdMob app is also well performed. And now just I have to click on this, and in front of you there was an ad, like you can see. There was an interstitial ad of Unity Ads. You can also use Unity Ads for self-clicking. As you can see, I am using Unity Ads over here, and this Unity Ad also give you high quality of CPM. Okay, it give you the CPM of approx $20 to $30 easily, and it even got till $100. Okay, so again I had clicked these buttons, and again you can see the ad is over here. Okay, so this application work very well. You can use many different accounts for this. You can create multiple accounts and use in that simple application and make many earnings in dollars. Okay, that's it. So if you guys are interested, WhatsApp number is in the description. And now let's cancel this video.